This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today I'm here with Adam from O'Brien Service Company, a locally owned and operated business since 1981. And we are going to talk about two very important services that you provide local businesses, and that's duct cleaning and dryer vent cleaning. Why do these matter?
Thanks for having me, Megan. So a lot of home and businesses don't realize it, but your ductwork plays a vital role in your HVAC system performance and in the air you breathe. Over time, debris can build up, and if your ductwork goes neglected, allergens such as pet dander, dust mites, things of that nature can build up in the system and greatly impact the indoor air quality.
So how do people know that it might be time to have their ducts cleaned?
Usually warning signs would include an accumulation of dust, higher utility bills, rooms that may be harder to heat or cool, hot and cold spots, or a system that cycles without reaching the proper set point temperature. And if your duct has leaks, that can really reduce the amount of airflow, where it prevents the air from getting where it's designed to go. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates 40% of airflow is lost to duct leakage. So we go in, we measure and pinpoint those leaks, and we do the cleaning with brushes, blowers, and vacuums to make the air cleaner for your indoor air quality.
And what about dryer vent cleaning?
Well, because a clogged or lint-filled dryer vent is a serious fire hazard. Some warning signs include clothes taking longer than one cycle to dry, the dryer or clothes feeling unusually hot, a musty smell, or buildup outside the vent, or the shutting off before the cycle is done. Call us ASAP.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.